Have you ever wondered how you can put a normal lens onto your camcorder? Now you can with this adapter. In this video, I'll show you everything about it, how to mount it, how to use it, and yeah, stay tuned.
This is Talkntech. Tech, that's what I'm talking about. Subscribe.
Okay, so there's nothing much to talk about, but usually these lenses come like really expensive, and then when you get one and you realize that it doesn't fit, or you just had one lying around from your DSLR and you want to put it on your camcorder. So the easiest way to do so is to buy one of these adapters. I was looking because I had one of these lenses lying around, and I was like wondering how. But then I heard that there's such thing as step-up lens. But this, since it is on a camcorder, this has to be a special lens. That's why it comes in a single. And it costs $10 for one. I know it's expensive, but if your lens is expensive, why not? So this I got is 46mm to 52mm. Because my Panasonic camcorder has a 46mm diameter. And then this lens, it's a newer lens, pretty expensive. Newer lens, digital high definition, is 52mm. So it just looks like this. The company is Kiwi Photos. Right there. Kiwi Photos. They're Kiwi Photos, 46 to 52. So it works out. It's metal. Well, for $10 you get metal. Okay, so this is lens. It's newer. It's digital. It's digital high definition, 0.45, super wide angle lens with macro Japan optics. And so if you unscrew it, you have macro lens. So you would just take the lens adapter, and screw it onto your lens. So these ones for the camcorder come in like 46mm to 58, like the different sizes for your camcorder. So you just screw it on like this. Just screw it on onto here, and then you can screw it onto your camera. It screws into the normal thing. But usually camcorders, they don't come with like lens holes. But mine came with a lens hood adapter. It's like a lens hood from the sun. And that lens adapter thing, it's 46mm, so I just took that diameter of my lens and then found an equal one. So now you could just store it on your camcorder like I'm doing right now, and you can put this into storage when you're not using it. Or if you want, you could leave it on and then just put the cap on. So that's a really easy way to put your camera lens from your DSLR onto your camcorder. So, as I said, this is Kiwi Photos. This is 46mm to 52mm. And this company is pretty good. It has like a bunch of products. And this lens adapter. So if you have an expensive lens, you can just put it on the adapter, put it onto your camcorder, and you can get wide angle or macro to take off. Well, depends on your lens. So this is basically it. The point is, just if you want to have a lens on your camcorder, but you don't want to buy like another camera or something like that, just buy one of these rings. $10, that's inexpensive. Mine is 46 to 52mm, because that's the sizes that I have. And it comes in a package like this from Amazon. I'll leave the link below for this one, but if you have different ones, I'm pretty sure you could go onto their Amazon page and you could check the one that you need. So that's all. If you like this video, subscribe and stay tuned because I have multiple videos about different stuff. And as always, tech, that's what I'm talking about. So subscribe and hit that bell. If you like this video on how to attach a lens onto your camcorder, with a step-up adapter. Please subscribe, like, click on these videos on my channel, subscribe, check out my other videos. I have really cool videos about that. And yeah, see you in the next video.